Hello guys, Chelsea was able to secure the 3 points at the end of the day. You know, pray to God as if it all depends on God. Then play football as if it all depends on you. Today, Newcastle wanted to frustrate Chelsea, but God shamed them. At the end of the day, we were able to win 3-0, another clean sheet with 3 important points because we don't see the other result already. Say Crystal Palace win Manchester City by 2 goals to 0, while Liverpool draw 2-2. Now I make this week be a wonderful week. This is Football Family SC. We are trying to give you the very best of football analysis. If this is the first time you are storming to my channel, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, like, comment and share. As you do so, may God bless you. You know, when the game start, Newcastle and be like say they just sit down for back. They won't defend throughout. Then they go trying to counter us. That be their plan. That be their plan for this game. Because they know say on a good day, they told me they play us one-on-one. They don't feel play us. So their strategy was to sit back and then try to counter us. But at the end of the day, they did that for the first half. They try say they be able to carry that plan for the first 45 minutes. But the second half, our manager can share strategy. He can look and say, be like say N'Golo Kante never too dey fit for this game. Now he remove N'Golo Kante, remove Ake Ziyech, the lazy boy, remove these two players. Then he brought in Ross Barkley and Ruben Loftus-Cheek. The moment these people were introduced into the game, Chelsea began to boss the midfield. I mean, taking charge. They start to take charge of the possession, and that is how Reece James scored the first goal, scored the second goal before penalty was awarded to Chelsea for Kai Havertz that was fouled, and now how Chelsea score the third goal. Seeing the result of Manchester City alone and Liverpool alone, that make me happy pass. Because supposing we see draw to the match before, if we say we see game point while Manchester City lost, while Liverpool see draw. But as it is now, we take huge 3 points from Manchester City, while we take another 2 points from Liverpool. Now I make today a very interesting game. No, this result sweet me well because all the changes when we say our manager they do for this season, they work for us well. They work for us well, and with the happy say they continue to win the game one after the other. I be how una see this game. You can see leave on a comment on the comment section. Even the introduction of some niggas was still good, so that make you see they know how Premier League game they play, so that make you see they get experience for this particular game. So that is just it. Up Chelsea for life. 3 points, 3 goals, clean sheet. That is what matters. I will see you in another video. Bye bye for now.